Andrew O'Connell here, engineering manager with F4 Energy, and we're after putting some spit and polish on a Jenbacher 312 here, and so you can scroll and move around and have a look as I walk and talk. So I'm just going to give you a 2-minute elevator pitch on our containerized solutions. Down here we're at the air intake, and filters come out here. These two doors just swing open, and you can just see them there. They get bolted so we could actually push them open at the moment. And 2.5 kilowatt fans. Very nice job. Really good door there. Very, very solid and very good air seal. So as you can see here, all of our pipework is all of our pipe is our exhaust gas after turbo. All of our pipework is stainless steel, and our exhaust, we've literally 160 mil just to keep that exhaust nice and cold. Speaking of exhaust, what we have here is a back pressure system. So on this is we can just press that and we get the exhaust back pressure. So over a period of years and months and years, you'll be able to see if there's any degradation, if it goes negative. And we've a manometer there as well to get it slightly more accurate. We've got a powder bomb here because obviously inside where the turbo is, that's where you're going to get a fire. And we have the temperature glass there done at 98 degrees, so it's not hopefully going to go off at radiant heat. Here's our pressurization system. So there's our oil fill, and our two PRVs, one from the HT system and one from the LT system, are both blowing off in here. This is where we put in our glycol. So you pour in your glycol, and then you can so you pour in the glycol, and then you can pump it into any of the three circuits, Jackawater, LT or HT, or else you can actively drain down and pump out the system. So that makes it very, very, very easy to maintain and operate the engine. We've got a day tank here, 180 litres, good solid day tank. And with this valve here, you can actually watch the drop and calculate the oil consumption. So I've got 45 seconds left, so no pressure. Oil tanks, fresh oil tank. We've got an oil meter on this, and obviously it's going up. So we switch it on, pump in X amount of oil. You know exactly what you're doing. You can fill it here. It's a good job here. What we did was we lifted up this table, so we have a wheelie bin here, and we can put in our oil spill kit in there, which is obviously in a 290 litre wheelie bin. HT, waste oil. So you drop in your two filters and you leave it drain. Very, very nice, practical system. And you pump there's our waste oil pump, which gets pumped in after an oil change. And because the oil tanks are internal, then there's no heaters. It's very cheap, very quick to install, and it's a very, very compact solution. It's all about saving time. And we haven't had a great year. 2020, we should really have read the terms and conditions, but sure, please God, 2021, well, I know it will be. It cannot be any worse. So have a nice Christmas, and as they say in German, guten Rutsch.